In this video, you will learn how to sort the data of MS Excel by using the ChatGPT. First, we will sort the data from ascending to descending value of the row data. By copying the row data from the MS Excel and paste the same data into the ChatGPT. Copy and paste the data from Excel to ChatGPT. Now paste the row data copied from the MS Excel in ChatGPT. Once the data has been pasted, then add an extra line below to ask the query. ChatGPT will generate the reply by sorting the same row data from ascending to descending value and from descending to ascending values. Due to my session expiry, probably I have to refresh the site and do it again. Hopefully that will work. Yes, that's fine now, and after getting the required output from the ChatGPT, we can copy that and paste it in Excel for further use. Here is the ascending values, and can easily be seen that from the examining of the values. Now, let's copy the descending values from and paste it to Excel for examine. So here are we with the descending values, and we can easily see that. That's how one can play with the data of MS Excel by using the ChatGPT. There are many possibilities, and we will see most of them in our next videos.